The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey man, you know where I watch? Dancehall Skilla! Alright viewers and subscribers, my name is Dancehall Skilla. I'm here again once more. Big up and respect to each and everyone. Big up to all of my dans and danites, it? Yeah, I hope that everyone is okay and alright, yes, let me say. Alright, so in this video, I have some things I want to talk to you about, and I have at least one video that I'm going to present to you, my viewers and subscribers. Now, first things first, I am going to present a video to you that will be recorded within the country that is known as Trinidad and Tobago. I don't have any confirmed information as to when the video will be recorded. The video that I am about to present to you shows some things that happened when law enforcers from within the country that is known as Trinidad and Tobago went to a location within the country that is known as Trinidad and Tobago. I did not get any confirmed information as to why those law enforcers went to that location within the country of Trinidad and Tobago on the day when the video will be recorded. Allegedly, it is said that music was playing at a certain volume, and that might be one of the reasons why those law enforcers went to that location on that day when the video had been recorded. According to comments that I saw on social media, I got the understanding that some persons on social media talked about and also wondered why so many law enforcers from within the country of Trinidad and Tobago went to that location on the day when the video had been recorded. One of the reasons why I am presenting the video to you is because the video is being talked about on social media, and I would like to know what you, my viewers and subscribers, think about the video as well. Alright, now I want you to please bear in mind that in this video you can hear persons yelling and shouting, and the video also shows a certain amount of law enforcers and the civilians. So before I present the video to you, this is a warning that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Here's the video. Take a look, listen, observe, and tell me what you think. Observe.
Boy, you're wicked over. What do we to do, boy? What do we pick up? We gone to but like the one we pick up, we gonna start kill people, boy. But let me enjoy ourselves, my boy.
Really upset.
But they wicked thing, boy. Hey, look at my uncle ass. Hey, no, that's wrong. That's wrong. Boy. That's wrong, the man who the look at my uncle. The look at my uncle, boy. Find that thing, boy. Boy, but the man who won't play any music, boy. Only he won't play any music. He won't play any music. That's unfair. That's unfair.
When them rolling different. They see that you never put in there.
Well, they can't do that, boy. So we not to play no music, boy, we see humans. All are we is humans. Don't watch me so. Don't watch my mother can I make you could be my little brother. Right? Don't watch me so. All are we is humans, boy. Why war going on? Why war? What's going on in here? What's going on? Why war going on, boy? We trying to live, boy. We trying to live. Every day is a dead body down here. Or leave we alone now, boy. Oh, cool again. I don't speak. Oh, this unfair. Tape them there. Tape them there now.
I want to play music home. Don't fight them we are war.
Somebody up on top of this like a person
They might play music home and they fight them war.
Let's get tunnels.
What is wrong?
Tunnels. No disrespect. No disrespect. Yeah, but yeah. It's just our love. It's just our love.
So it look like
respect. Yeah.
Alright, in my point of view, viewers and subscribers, based on the amount of law enforcers that I saw in that video, some persons might consider that situation to be a police raid or law enforcers raided a place. You understand me? You see it? Yeah, man. You know, there's quite a number of law enforcers shown in that video. So I say, yeah, man, but the video has been talked about on social media. Not much information I got about the video. Me just make you know about the video. You can tell me what I think for your subscribers, and I'm making it very clear that I did not get any confirmed information if anyone had been arrested or brought into police custody, because sometimes the police, our police, will stop a person and detain a person at the same place where they approach the person for a certain amount of time, and then after a certain amount of time, if them feel satisfied based on what them see and hear, they will let the person go. So sometimes when a police hold on to a person, they might not arrest the person or bring the person into police custody. Yes, I say. But anyways, you know, tell me what you think about that video. I'm going to move on to another topic now. Yes, I say. I read a news article that gave me the understanding that a teenager pleaded guilty to charges against him when he appeared before the court that is located somewhere in the country of Jamaica. Now, I'm going to read words from this news article, but please bear in mind that I might not read word for word from the news article, and I'm going to also explain to you some of the times according to how I understand some of the things that I read in this news article, because I read the news article before, and I'm going to just read certain words from it to you as well, viewers and subscribers, but not everything, you see. Now, according to this news article that I'm looking at, I got the understanding that the news article said that a teenager has described for police investigators how he fired a bullet in the body of a former associate in a daylight double murder, then blamed his action on pressure from other members of a gang. See? Viewers and subscribers, according to the same news article, it is said that an 18-year-old man who goes by the name of Michael Black detailed how he was enlisted by the same members of the Bloods gang based in Clarendon, Jamaica, to carry out a $1.7 million robbery of the Lasco MoneyGram outlet in Chapelton, or in the town of Chapelton, you see? According to the same news article that had been published on Tuesday, the 1st of March, the year 2022, I got the understanding that the news article said that Michael Black pleaded guilty to 7 charges against him when he appeared in the Home Circuit Court on Thursday. See? Now, viewers and subscribers, this news article has been published on the 1st of March, the year 2022. So, Tuesday is the 1st of March, the year 2022. If you do the maths, that would be last Thursday. So, you might get an understanding as to the date, as to when this news article said that Black appeared in the Home Circuit Court. You see me I say? Yeah, now, according to the same news article, those charges are said to be 2 counts of murder, 2 counts of illegal possession of a firearm, and 3 counts of robbery with aggravation. The news article said that he's scheduled to be sentenced on May 4, the year 2022. See? So, a part of the news article said that Akeem Murray and a person who goes by the name of Kemar, right? Those 2 persons are said to be the 2 persons who lost their lives. See, when it comes down to the double murder that involves the teenager who goes by the name of Michael Black. You see me I say? Yeah, according to this news article, it is said that those 2 persons were traveling on a motorcycle when they were shot repeatedly. And that incident happened near the intersection of Race Course and Hayesfield Roads in Clarendon, Jamaica on November 18, the year 2020. See? Now, a part of the news article said that those 2 persons who lost their lives were also members of the Bloods gang. You listen me I say, my people. You hear that? The news article said that sometime after Michael Black had been arrested by the police within the country of Jamaica, the news article said that Michael Black told investigators that he was at home on the day of the double murder when a person who he identified as Skilla came to him and told him that they were going on the road, and he followed him to a white Toyota Axio motor car. The news article said that Black said that 2 other men were already in the motor vehicle and that they picked up a 4th man who he identified as Jay. See? And then the news article said that the teen disclosed that shortly after, he said, Jay said, "See them there?" And that killer jumped out of the car and shoot them off the motorcycle, or shoot them off the bike. See? The news article said that the 18-year-old said that after Skilla returned to the motor vehicle, he took a Smith & Wesson pistol from the drawstring bag that he was carrying and went to the spot where those two persons who had been shot were laying wounded, and that he said that he fired 2 shots but none never catch them, and that him, the person who goes by the name of Michael Black, said that him shoot the left one in him shoulder and the 2 of them did already dead. Right? And according to this news article, it is said that Michael Black said these things during an interview with detectives. You see? The news article said that one of the detectives asked why he shot the men. And the news article said that Michael Black said, "Father, me don't even really understand how to explain it to you. But as I can say, it's force." He responded. See, another part of the news article said that the same person who goes by the name of Michael Black gave statement saying that Skilla come to the yard and say, "Come make we go on the road." And when me go on the road, I saw me get the gun in my hands. Another part of the news article said that Black said that on the day of the robbery, Skilla and a man identified as Sufferer were traveling to Chapelton when they told him what was about to happen. The news article said that Black said that Skilla and the other person who goes by the name of Sufferer announced the robbery, but acknowledged that he searched 3 persons inside the Remington's outlet and took away their phones. You see me? The news article also said that the teen admitted that he went over the counter and saw a lot of cash, more than $200,000. And another part of the news article said that the robbers made off with $1.7 million in cash. Employees told investigators. You understand me, viewers and subscribers? You see me? So you see me, people, based on some things I'm reading at this news article, and viewers and subscribers, you know, in my point of view, it would seem as if this person who goes by the name of Black somehow got caught up in a crime and violence. You see me? I say, yeah man, some of the times, you know, my people, some of the times, you know, I caught up, some youths get caught up, you know. Yeah man, some youths get caught up based on where them come from and the company where them keep, you know, my people. You see me? I say, yeah man, yeah, but I say the companies where them keep as well, because, you know, you have some people who have a lot of friends, you see it, and sometimes you're apart with some people and you don't know what is what. You see me? I say, it's rough though, it's really rough, you see me? I say, but once you do the crime, there are consequences to it, my people. You see it? And yeah, so I'm going to leave it, you know. I just make you know what I go on. You can let me know what to think about the things that I just told you. And you can let me know what to think about the video that I presented to you. Until the next time, I'm in name Dancehall Skilla. Wanna big up on yourself, you see it?